Hello and welcome back to the second part of this Sakura Pavilion. It's like a jigsaw thing, a 3D put together thing. I've abandoned it for a few weeks because it was quite flimsy and I wasn't really quite enjoying it. So I made a treasure box, which you can see the videos on my channel. That one was a different brand of kit and it was much more sturdy. So today I'm going to pick up where I left off with this one, where I think I'd just finished putting the flowers on. This one doesn't feel as sturdy in the bits, like the stairs do kind of slide out. So I don't know if I'm going to have to go through and put some glue in some places. Anyway. We've just finished the steps, so we're there. So we need, I think I've got all the pieces out of that one, K5 and K6. Which are on this one. So yeah, this is much thinner board than the previous one that I did. And it feels quite more flimsy. Oh. I'm not sure what I did with my piece of sandpaper. So I think these two were 6. So this way, K6 goes in here. Shot hand at the back, and then K5 goes in the other side. Then H2 and 3 are on this one. Oh, these are quite flimsy pieces, these. So this is 3. No. These are 2. So H2 goes here. Oh, you see, that's a bit of the bottom dropped off. I think I will have to glue. Oh, and look, the side's falling apart. I say this one's much more flimsy than the other one I made. H3. It's here. And this goes in at the back. See, it's fallen off. I might need to take that bit off to get that back in again. Oh, now the whole bottom's falling off. I might have just found out why, because it's saying Rolife should be here at the front and I've got it round the side. Let's take these two off and see if it does make a difference, or if it's just a pure advertising ploy. That might be why. It looks like there's two different lengths, so I think I might have got them on the wrong sides. No, it's still flimsy. Anyway, I've got the Rolife at the beginning. Ugh. Right. G1. No, I haven't. Have I finished this? No, I've got this to do. J1. And two J8s. Yeah, see, that's a bit snagged off there. It's definitely flimsy. Right, I've got to make sure this bit's at this side. And then J9. And J7. Well, I've just broken that. Let's put that back on there. This is literally just snapping apart. So if you wanted to buy this as a relaxing craft, I would say it is not. This is just falling apart. And then these go at the front. I had such high hopes for this model. Okay, I'm going to get some PVA. I'm going to use this dotting tool. Use my PVA here. Luckily it's warm here, so it might not take too long to dry. So that is in the process of drying. I've put a bit of glue in each of the corners as well, just to hold it. Unfortunately, I think it is going to show because I didn't realise it was this way up. It needs to go on. Anyway, I think what I'm going to do is put you on fast forward and I will put in comments, written comments along the way. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I've got on to putting these pieces on, and I think I've put that bit there in the wrong way. And I think I glued that. Is that the bit that I glued down? Of course it is. Yeah. Yeah, because that's meant to go there. There. Like that. So I don't know if I've put that on the wrong way as well. It's my picture. Yes, I have. The reason I did it that way is because I saw this writing and thought that should be underneath so that it wouldn't be visible. Right. So that bit has to be at the front. I can't quite see this bit now if I've put this in. Yay. There we go. Is that the right place? Yes. Back to fast forward. So that was a big whoopsie moment. I've just snapped some of them. That was meant to be on there. It wasn't quite sitting right, so I was pressing down. You've seen. I wasn't using a great deal of force, I don't think. I hate this kit, can I just say? So I'm going to have to somehow glue that back on there. Fix that. That fell into 3 pieces. This project may not get finished. And on that cliffhanger, I'm going to leave you there while I sort out this mess. Bye now.